This is my old camera tech bag. It's pretty small. I'm getting more stuff on my camera. I got 2 cameras now, so things are a little different. So this is not enough for me. Yeah, bare hands. So as you guys can see, a lot of zippers. That's the first impression. It got that new bag smell, okay. Now I'm gonna definitely pause the video and I'm gonna fill up this bag to the full potential. But just judging by the compartments and everything, this thing is nice. A little bag for your tripod. Okay, I see you in the tech. Let's see. Okay, so we got a large compartment, a zipper strap here, a little meshy. I'm gonna go crazy with this bag, so stand by, guys. I'm definitely gonna fill it up to the max. Well, I'm gonna try to fill it up to the max. Alright guys, so I filled up my camera bag to the best as I can. I mean, if I was traveling tomorrow, like going to LA for example, this is how I would pack. Maybe not this tripod, but I'm using a good tripod right now, so that's why you guys are seeing that tripod. But nonetheless, this thing is a certified beast. This thing can pretty much hold anything. We're gonna start off with this compartment here. As you guys can see, I zip it down. I have my iPad here. Now this is the Intertech case, and it actually is a nice quality case. Keyboard lights up too, as you guys can see. Really cool. So I have my iPad just for if you have a video footage, you can, you know, plug it into the iPad and show them on the iPad itself. So it's a larger canvas. I don't have anything else, but you can fit way more stuff in this little compartment. And then this side compartment, these two here are totally separate. You guys can see this is a separate compartment. I have my phone, so it's a quick little access to my phone. Now taking a look in the top portion, I have my camera charger. Okay, that's for the 80D, and this is for the G7X. This is the camera that I'm using right now. This is just a small point shoot. So it fits your chargers, your batteries. Okay, so this is the battery for the 80D, and this is the battery for the Canon G7X. And you could hold a lot more batteries and maybe put some more cables if you like. That's what I have in there. The side here, this is your tripod compartment. So instead of putting the tripod inside the bag, it's outside the bag, so you can easily take it out just like that. And I have my overhead mount, so this is to get the overhead shot. That's why you guys are not seeing it again right now. Also, I apologize for showing you guys this cheap tripod. This is an Amazon tripod, not even an Amazon brand, but this is one of my first tripods ever, and I still kept it for memories. So yeah, this is the tripod strap, so you can strap up a tripod. You can adjust the straps. You can even put a water bottle here. I didn't even grab a water bottle. Matter of fact, I have a rum cream here. You could put like a little bottle here if you like, and then you can have the tripod out. Got it all the way straight from Jamaica. That's the only reason why I'm keeping the bottle. And yeah, it looked like any size bottle can fit, because look at the strap on the side. This thing is just flexible. Now this side compartment, you actually have your camera, so yeah, so you could fit some more stuff. You have like a little side compartment on the side. As you guys can see, there's like a side compartment there. Now before I even show you guys the inside of the bag, I figure out what this big bag is to protect the bag. So if it's raining outside, you have like some kind of jacket for your bag, and you can protect all your components inside the bag. And just like that, they really took their time with this bag. The zipper quality is good. The compartments is pretty much endless. There's so much compartments everywhere. And also you even have a side compartment. I didn't even put anything here, but yeah, this compartment's everywhere. But anyway, let's just open up the bag. Let's see what's inside. Well, I know what's inside. Okay, so this is how inside the bag looks. So you have a nice little mesh material here. So this is to protect the components over here. And we're gonna unzip it just like so. And the zipper is very high quality. It's nothing cheap here at all. So as you guys can see, this is what's inside my camera bag. So we got my lens here. So this is the 55 to 250 millimeter. I actually lost the lens cap. I meant to purchase one. I just haven't been thinking about it, but I don't know. I gotta purchase some lens cap. That's very important. Protect the lens from damage or any debris. I do have this portrait lens. This is a 85 millimeter lens. Yeah, so if you want to take some nice milky, some professional shots, some portrait shots, this is the perfect lens for that. Then I got my nifty 50 here. This is the Canon 50mm, and this thing right here, I love this lens. Perfect for portraits. It's amazing. And then here I got a microfiber cleaning cloth to clean off the lens or my camera screen or anything here. It's always good to have a microfiber cleaning cloth in your bag. This is just the cases for the lens. Now, I used to use these things here, but I have a lot of lens. These bags are good, but it just wasn't cutting it. I have the 18 to 55mm, so this is a lens that I use on a daily basis pretty much. If I'm doing like a lot of close-ups, I can use this lens too. Like I use it for most of my tech videos. If I want to show you guys the screen resolution and the pixels, I use this lens. I don't use this lens. This lens is for something that's like super duper far. If you want to zoom into mountains or the Hollywood sign. I just went to LA. Yeah, this lens is perfect for that. And last but not least, I got my ultra wide angle lens. This lens right here is perfect for vlogging. So this is the 10 to 18 and it's gonna get some wide shots. So if you have a group of people, this is the lens you want to use. So I have a total of 5 lenses, and every lens have a different purpose, and I love all my lenses, but I gotta take good care of them because I need that lens cap. So matter of fact, after this video, I'm gonna order some lens caps. And matter of fact, I think I found one. My room is so small, guys, it's unbelievable. But I'm missing the back piece here. So yeah, so protect your lens. Don't be like me. If you lose one, just buy it right away, because the last thing you need now is to damage or scratch up your lens, and then your pictures are gonna look like trash. Alright, this thing right here, this is a GorillaPod. I use this for vlogging sometimes. This thing is a little heavy, but you can wrap it around the trees, wrap it around poles, and it fits perfectly right here inside my camera bag. So that is super duper nice. The GorillaPod, I highly recommend it if you have a DSLR. It's a staple, or even a point and shoot too is good. It's just something comfortable to hold. I even have like a smaller, like a selfie stick, but it's like this big, but like you can grip it. It's like a grip for your camera. I cannot find it right now. It's probably in one of my bags. It's like my 5th bag. Like this is my first camera bag, but the other bags are like school bags and, you know, travel big bags, but this is a dedicated camera bag. This is my shotgun mic, so this is to improve the audio on the camera. Yeah, definitely makes a big difference. And then of course we got the boss, the 80D. This is my camera. This is where I film my tech videos, everything, my LA vlogs. I use my G7X2 sometimes, but this is like, if I'm sitting down right now, I'm using this camera every time. So yeah, 80D so far so good, and I had this thing for like about a year now. And you guys see I got that Louis Vuitton strap on there too. Now over here on the top, I have some headphones. Now the 80D has a headphone jack, so you can listen back to the audio, or even better, you can use it on the iPad. My iPad has a headphone jack, and you can, you know, play back the audio there with a big screen, and you have a headphone jack to listen back to the audio. Perfect. These are the Mixer E9s, and yeah, these are my studio headphones. So if I'm editing videos, I use these headphones, or if I'm going to plug it into my camera, I use these headphones. You know, it's not too bass heavy, it's just right. And yeah, these are really supposed to be airplane headphones because it has strong noise cancellation, but I use it for editing videos and professional stuff. Now you also have another compartment here. I don't have anything else, but you can squeeze more things in here too if you like. Over here you have another compartment. Now I put my iPhone charger here. So this is an Intertech, the same company as the bag. This is the power adapter, and I would say it's important to carry around your iPhone charger, your camera charger, your batteries, especially this fast charger, because let's say your phone is on 2%, you can quickly charge it in like 20 minutes and you're going to be in a reasonable percentage to call somebody if you need a ride or Uber it. Yeah, so you definitely want to have yourself a fast charger. Alright, so zipping it back up, very high quality zipper. But yeah, that's basically it. And last but not least, before I even head up out of here, I just want to show you guys the straps, so you can strap it onto your body, so you know it's not sliding off. But overall, guys, this is a well made bag. Intertech definitely knocked this one out the park. This bag is worth every penny. If you're traveling a lot with your camera, don't be like me. When I went to LA, I had a Herschel bag, and then inside the Herschel bag I had this bag, and this was my camera bag in a sense. But the camera is so big and I have a lot of lenses, it's just not enough. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm easily gonna give this a 10 out of 10. It's a perfect bag. The zipper is high quality, so many compartments. I still even had more room to put more stuff. This bag is definitely a certified Pops approval. So guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. And yeah, that's basically it. Peace, and have a simple day.